What if I told you that you don't need a high income to control your money? You just need a simple system that actually works. Most Americans say the same thing. I make decent money, but I have no idea where it goes. If that sounds familiar, this video might change how you see money forever. Today, we're breaking down the 50-30-20 budget rule using real American income and real expenses, not unrealistic advice. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, whether it works in today's America, and how to start, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Welcome to Finance Clarity, where we explain money clearly and help you make smarter financial decisions in America. Let's be honest. Most Americans don't fail at budgeting because they're irresponsible. They fail because budgets feel complicated, apps feel overwhelming, and advice online feels unrealistic. People are told to stop buying coffee, cancel everything, save half your income. That's not real life. What people actually need is structure, not guilt. And that's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to divide your after-tax income into three categories. 50% needs 30%, wants 20%, savings and debt payoff. That's it. No complicated spreadsheets, no tracking every dollar. But the key is understanding what actually counts in each category, especially in America. Let's break it down properly. 50% needs, real USA examples. Needs are expenses you must pay to survive. This includes rent or mortgage utilities, groceries, health insurance, transportation, minimum debt payments. Important, needs are not comfort, they are necessity. 30% wants, what Americans often confuse. Wants are things that improve your lifestyle, but aren't required. Examples: dining out subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, etc. New phone upgrades, shopping, entertainment. This is where lifestyle inflation usually happens. 20%. Savings and future. This category includes emergency fund, retirement investing, extra debt payments. This is the part most Americans skip completely, and that's why emergencies become disasters. Let's use real numbers. Example: a single American earning $4,000 per month after tax. Step 1. Calculate the breakdown. 50% needs, $2,000 30% wants, $1,200 20%. Savings, $800. Now let's see how realistic this actually is. Needs, $2,000, rent, shared apartment, $1,300, utilities plus internet, $200, groceries, $300, gas transport, $150, insurance, $50, total equals $2,000. This is tight, but realistic for many U.S. cities. Wants, $1,200. Dining out and coffee, $300. Subscriptions, $80. Shopping and entertainment, $300. Travel and fun money, $520. This is where people usually overspend without noticing. Savings, $800 emergency fund, $300 retirement investing, $300 extra debt payoff, $200. This alone can change your life in 1 year. Ask yourself, which category is stealing from my future? For most Americans, it's wants pretending to be needs. Common mistakes people make. Mistake number 1, calling wants needs. A luxury car is not a need. 5 subscriptions are not needs. Mistake number 2, ignoring savings. Savings isn't optional, it's protection. Mistake number 3, giving up too early. The first month will feel uncomfortable. That's normal. Who should use the 50-30-20 rule? Works best for beginners. People living paycheck to paycheck. Anyone who wants structure might need adjustment for high rent cities, heavy debt situations. In those cases, start with 60-30-10, then move up. How to start today. 1. Calculate your after-tax income. 2. Write down last month's spending. 3. Categorize it into 50-30-24. Adjust slowly, not perfectly. 5. Track progress monthly. Progress beats perfection. The 50-30-20 rule won't make you rich overnight, but it will give you control, reduce stress, build stability, and protect your future. Most Americans don't need more income. They need clarity. Do you think the 50-30-20 rule is realistic in today's America? Comment below. Let's talk. If you want simple, real explanations about money and smart living in America, subscribe to Finance Clarity, because clarity is the first step toward financial freedom.